Okay, so you're gonna ask me, hey, where you been for the last 9 months? Well, here I am. And this is it. So if you wanna watch what happens, go for it. I obviously haven't taken any makeup courses, as you can tell. And I still haven't learned how to style a wig, so I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, yeah. Several months ago, I saw Pearl. She put out lots of videos, like doing a character called Roxanne. She was overfilled lips, overfilled cheeks. I thought that was super fun. And so I'm going to attempt to kind of do something like that today with 3D gel, like prosthetics. And then I also bought on Etsy these like fake prosthetic lips that, you know, I'm just gonna like glue on with some glue, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna go glue down my eyebrows and be right back. So the brows are glued down, powdered. So I have this Mayron 3D gel. I'm gonna heat this up real quick, and then I think I'm gonna apply like really huge cheekbones, like right here. I put the gel in a hot mug. I don't know how hot it needs to get to like soften and come out. Oh shit, spilt it. Now it's like squishy, so I think it should come out now. So I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand first to make sure I don't burn my face. I'm gonna go high. Oh, that's like not very hot. Oh shit, this is gonna take a long time. I'm sure it builds up. Oh my god, that's so gross. Or, you know, I can just like go get fillers. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. This is not working. It's like oozing down my cheeks. Yikes. Dude, and this smells like something.
One hour later.
I touched it, and it's really sticky. I did these off camera because it was taking way too long. I went ahead and I thought, oh, this stuff's really smooth. Why don't I just put like a really thin layer over my eyebrows? So I did that. Anyway, it's all super sticky right now, so I'm a little afraid to touch it. I think it needs to dry more. But I'm gonna do my eyes while I wait. Fingers crossed. Oh wow, so you put makeup on and it actually doesn't really stick after the makeup's on top. This stuff that's on my cheeks, like a thin layer over, and it just fills in all of those hairs. You probably can't see very well, but little tiny hairs are popping through, but I don't think that's fine. So next onto eyes, I have the JUVIA'S Place, the Warrior 2, whatever, that palette. I'm gonna go in and contour with this shade called Jamada. Well, yeah, so I'm just gonna create a crease right under my brow bone, I think. So that stuff, that prosthetic stuff on my eyebrow, very thin, it's like breaking. Okay, this looks really bad. Like really bad, oh my god, I just keep looking in that monitor and it's so bad. Like the f*** at that. And it's like, I'm not even trying to be bad. Like I'm just bad. This doesn't even feel like skin. It's so rubbery that it doesn't blend at all. So when you try to blend properly, it just breaks. Definitely, yeah, don't do this. Brow time, brows, brows. I'm just like going out of order. Like I'm doing a little bit of the eyes, a little bit of the lips, and then I'm gonna go back to the eyes. Okay, so I have the glue. It's the spirit gum. A lot of people use this apparently. Wait, which one's the top and which one's the bottom? Put a little spirit gum. Okay, ready? Kind of burns. It kind of tingles, it burns a bit, but not like unbearable. Wow, those eyes look so bad. Oh yeah, baby, look at that, baby. Oh yeah. Whoa, shit, whoa, Zach. We were like possessed by a spirit before. You know, something just happens when it comes on. I don't know what this is. Oh, I can't even smile. Like, alright, okay, we can go with this. You know, I don't know if it's the light or what. I just went to the bathroom though, and like, the eyes don't look that bad. I think it's maybe the harsh lights or something. Oh my god. I had doubts, but now that these are on, I don't really give a shit what anything else looks like. This is great. Literally, these were like 35 bucks on Etsy. Honestly, worth every penny. What am I gonna do now? Should I finish the, I'm gonna try to finish the eye. And what I think I'm gonna do is like slap on some sort of sparkly shit on my eye. I'm gonna go in with some black eyeshadow. Wow, this is so messy. It's like I'm drunk. Okay, I'm going back in on my eyebrows. Oh god, help me please. I put on a lip. I'm just, whatever. I'm just gonna do it. This is really bad, but okay. I have this cute little Urban Decay lipstick called Devilish. And I can put that on here. Oh, these do not feel like real lips, I'll tell you that. I think like a gloss would be better. A liquid lip, yeah, I'm gonna do a liquid lip. Cause this is like a crayon like drawing. That wasn't working, so I'm gonna go in with this MAC liquid lip. I'm gonna go off camera, do some things like put on lashes, come back with the wig, and I think I'll be good. All right. Yeah, look at that. So, this is atrocious. The lips are so fun. The lips, I recommend these for anyone. Okay, decide to go, look like a fish. You know, I have these thoughts in my head, you know, when I'm not shooting these videos, like, oh, you know, next time I shoot a video, it's gonna be so good. And then I get on set and it's like, it's god awful. But that's okay, this was really fun. The wig, put it over the eye so that you can't see anything that you actually did. And then it's, you know, it's a fix. It's gonna be a real bitch to take off though. It's like literally, I got like glue in the brows, and then I got this like silicone stuff all over my cheeks and my lips, and there's just glue everywhere. Let me know what you guys think. You like the lips? You like the cheeks? The cheeks, you know, lots of texture here, but that's okay. Let me know if you want to see more crazy shit like this in the future. I had a lot of fun. Thanks, see ya, bye!